Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to everyone happy and beautiful days. 4-layer ground meat tortilla pie. The name of this dish until Turkey Kayseri lubrication. Fabulously tasty easy prepared meal. A satisfying pie will be made to the amount of 8 people on this video. We will see all the materials we will need in order. 8 pieces round tortilla Turkish lavas bread. 10 in the market are sold in the package and cheaply priced. 500 gram cow mince. A bunch of parsley 4 branches fresh green mint. 2 onions 2 tomatoes 2 green peppers. 200 grams of boiled corn. 500 grams cheddar cheese. Liquid sunflower oil, salt, red pepper, black pepper, cumin, garlic, broken walnut, thyme, Teflon pans, grater, baking tray, two onions off, cut out 2 green pepper stalks and remove the cores. 2 pieces peeled onion finely chopped. Cut 2 peppers thinly. Shredded cheddar cheese. Cut 2 large tomatoes. Five pieces of garlic. Crush and peel garlic, peeled first with a knife. Add the liquid sunflower oil into the pan and wait for it to warm up. Sunflower oil, add some chopped onions and peppers. Cook for 5 minutes with stirring. Help your videos reach more people by showing appreciation. You can make more people see you by appreciating. Thanks to everyone for support. Add 500 grams of ground beef. Add crushed chopped garlic. Crush it with a wooden spoon and mix it thoroughly. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes with stirring. Remove the mint leaves from the stem. Chop parsley in chunks. Continue cooking with mixing. Add as much salt as you can. Add red pepper flakes. Add black pepper. Add grated tomatoes. Add boiled corn. Add battered walnut. Stir a few laps and leave the air space one by one. Add some thyme after a little cold. Add the chopped parsley and stir. It needs to be used by wetting the round lavish bread. Add the item in equal amounts. Soak with a little water. You can first wet it with water and then add the item. Add small amount of cheddar cheese to the coats. Continue to add until 4 layers in the same way. We made a hearty meal for 8 people with 500 grams of ground beef. Now 15 minutes baking. Stir in warmed oven and fry a little. Add the remaining grated cheese on top of the abundant amount. If you eat it after a day, you can keep it like this. Remove from the oven and add some water to evaporate. Cover with cloth and wait 5 minutes. Our food is ready to serve. Divide into 4 equal parts. Place it in the service tray and make an apology. Served with ayran or cola. I want to enlighten you about the texture of your meal. It is really easy and tasty. you can try it with peace of mind. We came to the end of a detailed video recipe for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. Goodbye, to see you again in a new recipe.